Yo, what is going on, YouTube fam? Chad Bennett here, your Make Money Online coach, teaching you great ways to make money every single day so that you can quit your 9 to 5. So today I want to talk about the 5 top apps that you can use and make money just from your smartphone or tablet. Start making money today. I have done all the research. All of these are 100% legit. I've tested them out. I've read all the reviews. You are going to love what I have in store for you today. So make sure that you stick with me through this entire video, because at the end, I'm gonna have a little bit of bonus content as well of 2 new apps that I've learned about that I didn't know about, but I went and did the research and they are 100% legit, and I absolutely love these as well. So potentially 7 different applications we're gonna talk about today that you can use to start making money just with your cell phone. All right, you guys, real quickly here before we get too deep into this video, if you are brand new to this channel or if you've been here before and you have not yet subscribed, make sure that you hit this bright red subscribe box right here. Click this bell notification, select all, that way you are notified immediately when I come out with new content, because I'm coming out with videos every single week teaching you tons of fabulous new methods of how you can start generating an income online for yourself so that you can break free from your 9 to 5. And please don't forget to smash that thumbs up if you find any valuable content in this video. Also, don't forget to comment and share these videos as well. And last but not least, you guys, if you are anything like me and you are an entrepreneur at heart and you really want to break free from your 9 to 5 and you want to make a ton of money online and have a life of freedom and work from anywhere in the world and really be able to quit your 9 to 5, make sure that you check out this link right up here at the top where it says learn how to make money online. Follow this bright red arrow right down to here and make sure that you check that out. That is where I got started 5 months ago and I have had insane results. I cannot recommend that enough. All right, my friends, so let's go ahead and jump straight on into this. Now, the first thing that I want you to know is I've left a link down in the description of this video to every single one of the apps that we will be discussing today. So if you want to download any of those, make sure that you check out those links down in the description of this video. Counting down from number 5, first up we have an application called Swagbucks, and I absolutely love this application. I have it installed on my very own smartphone. I use it all the time whenever I have a little bit of downtime. I'm at a doctor's appointment, waiting in the waiting room, or I'm getting the car wash or something like that, and I just have a little bit of downtime, I'll bust out this application. And what's really cool about this is there's so many different ways within this one single application to start generating money. And that's what I love about it the most. One thing I want to point out is that it's very, very well liked. It's been rated by 37,430 people, roughly 4 stars here, you guys. If you come through here and actually read some of the comments and stuff, people are raving about this application. They absolutely love this. So how does it work? Basically what's happening here is within this one single app, you're getting paid for things that you're doing every single day already anyways online. And I'm talking about things such as shopping online, watching entertaining videos, searching the web, answering surveys, and then you can find more great deals. And so when you're doing all these different things, you're earning points that are called Swagbucks that you can cash out for gift cards such as Walmart gift cards, PayPal gift cards, Amazon gift cards, and the list goes on. If you actually check out their gift card page, there is a huge list of different gift cards that you can cash out these points for. So like I said, you guys, you're just gonna be shopping online, answering surveys. You can get paid for watching videos. You discover more offers. You can get paid for searching the web. If you use Yahoo, you can search through the Yahoo powered search engine and get paid just for doing that. You can get paid with this application just for playing games. So you can come in here, download different games and stuff like that and get paid just for playing games. Absolutely blows my mind, you guys. All right, you guys, moving on here and continuing the countdown at spot number 4 here, we have Feature Points. And again, another application that I absolutely love. It's been rated by 111,000 people here, roughly rated almost 5 stars. These guys have been around for quite some time now. Since 2012, they've paid out over $5,800,000. Again, available in the Apple App Store, Google Play Store, and basically what's happening on this application is it's very similar to Swagbucks in regards to there's a couple different things that you can do on here. You're going to be earning points and you can cash those out for gift cards. So let's take a look at this. You're going to be completing short surveys, giving your opinion, such as like, do you own a dog? What kind of car do you drive? So very, very simple stuff here, you guys. You can earn cash back for places that you're shopping at every single day anyways. We're talking about stores such as Best Buy, Forever 21, Walmart, Target, Macy's. So again, tons of great stores, and the list goes on, you guys. There's literally hundreds of different stores that they have that you can shop through this app and earn points and get cash back. Another great thing too is you can download apps, again, play free games and download different apps, try them out for just a few minutes and earn points just for doing that. I don't know if you're like me at all. I love to download different applications and test them out. So that's a great way to actually get paid for doing that. And then another way that you can actually earn with this app is just by sharing this with your friends. You download this, you try it, you like it, you share it with your friends with your affiliate link, and then you can actually start earning their points as well. And then, like I said, you're going to redeem all the points that you have for gift cards. And we're talking about gift cards such as PayPal. That's the Google Play Store, Xbox. Coming in at spot number 3, we have Field Agent. Again, another app that I absolutely love. This is very simple to do. This one's a little bit different than the last two that we've been talking about. Looking at it in the Google Play Store here, it's been rated by 5,345 people, roughly 4 stars here. Again, so another very well-liked application. Checking it out on their actual homepage for agents. Looking at it from the top down, it's available in the Apple App Store as well as the Google Play Store. And just looking at it at the top here, it says simply use your phone or Android device to gather specific information, then get paid. So what basically happens here is you sign up as an agent for these guys, and they give you a map, and they have different jobs that are local to where you're at. And you accept these jobs and you go out and actually complete these tasks. And some of these tasks are basically going and doing price checks, maybe going and taking pictures in the stores of different items of where they're at on the shelves and stuff like that. And once the actual task is completed, you get paid. What's really cool about this one is you get paid in actual cash that transfers straight to your bank account. Field Agent has been featured in the Business Insider, USA Today, Money Talks News, and the Penny Hoarder. So again, people absolutely love this application. It is very, very reputable, and they're paying in cash, you guys. If you have any more questions, they have a great frequently asked questions section down here on their page. You can come through. They break it down very simply. I wanted to point out that they're paying anywhere between $1 and $12 for each job completed, and they tell you kind of exactly what type of tasks you can be expected to actually complete. Some of the jobs, like I said, are price checks, in-store display checks, and then consumer surveys. The consumer survey ones can actually be done at home. You don't have to go anywhere for those, so that's kind of neat as well. Alrighty, you guys, coming in at the number 2 spot is this application called Dosh, and I've talked about this a lot in the past, so I'm not going to hammer this home too much, but I absolutely love this application. I have it installed on my smartphone. It's paid me over and over again hundreds of dollars. It's available in the Apple App Store, the Google Play Store, and it says right here that it's the easiest money you've ever made, and I completely have to agree with that because you're literally doing nothing. It's an application that you pretty much install on your phone. You link your debit, your credit cards to it, and you just live life as you normally would. And whenever you pay with the cards that you have linked to this app, if they're affiliated with any of the businesses that are within Dosh, it automatically saves you cash back. And you get cash back all the way up to 10%, you guys. And another way that you can actually earn with this application is just by sharing how much you enjoy this app with your friends. So if you share it, a lot of times they're paying $5, $10, even $15 to refer this application to your friends and family and beyond, you guys. So another great way to make some very, very easy money. I also wanted to point out that it's been rated by 38,453 people, rated almost 5 stars in the Google Play Store. So people absolutely love this application. I know I do. Download this, give it a try. It literally happens completely on autopilot, you guys. There's nothing special that you have to do. You're not going in and actually accepting these different offers or anything. You just set it up, link your cards, and start getting cash back. Alrighty, you guys, coming in at spot number 1 here is CryptoTab Browser, and I absolutely love this application. I have it installed on all my devices, including my desktop and my laptop. And what's really cool about this is it's basically your browser, you guys. So if you're familiar with Google Chrome, Safari, Firefox, stuff like that, CryptoTab Browser is the exact same thing. It's lightweight, and what happens is you swap out the current browser that you're using. So if you're using Firefox, you'd start using CryptoTab Browser and make that your default browser. And that browser is mining Bitcoin in the background. And what's really cool is you can do this on smartphones and tablets now and start mining Bitcoin and earning Bitcoin in the background just for surfing the web like you normally would. So I want to check this out over in the Google Play Store as well and just show you how popular this is and how much people like this. It's been rated by 18,976 people, roughly 5 stars here, you guys. And if you're worried about whether your phone will slow down or something like that because of the algorithm running in the background, I want to assure you that that does not happen. I haven't had it happen to me. They even talk about it right here on their webpage. What if my smartphone will slow down? Rest assured, CryptoTab's algorithm is perfectly optimized for mobile devices. Bitcoin mining will not affect your everyday tasks. Alrighty, you guys, so that wraps up our top 5 applications to start earning money on your smartphones or tablets. Now, as promised, we're going to jump straight into the bonus content. I'm going to provide you 2 more applications that I just recently learned about but are 100% legit, and you can go ahead and start making more money with your smartphones and tablets. So the first one that we have up here, you guys, is called Google Opinion Rewards, and you know this one is legit because it was made by Google itself, and obviously Google is a very, very large, legitimate company. So it's been rated by 68,000 people, roughly 4.7 stars here, you guys. And this is very, very simple. Basically what is happening here is you're going to be answering quick surveys and get paid up to $1 for each completed survey via your PayPal account. And the surveys usually take less than 20 seconds. And last up, we have the application called TaskRabbit. And basically what this is it's a convenient and affordable way to get things done around the home. So people have all kinds of different tasks that they need done around their home. And if you can go and help them with those tasks, you can get paid for that. And that's what this app does, is it connects people that can do these tasks with the actual tasks that need to be done. And I'm talking about tasks such as mounting and installation, moving and packing, furniture assembly, cleaning, general handyman work, and heavy lifting. So if you can do any of those things, you can get signed up at TaskRabbit, set your own price, set your own schedule, and start making money in your local area. So just a very quick example of exactly how this works is TaskRabbit notifies you of potential jobs nearby via your cell phone or your tablet, as long as it's connected to the internet. You select one that you want to complete, you confirm the details with your client, and then you complete the work and you submit your invoice and you get paid. So there you have it, YouTube fam. That is all I have for you today. Be the 1% of people that actually download these applications and go out there and start making some money. And then last but not least, you guys, if you found any valuable content in this video at all, make sure that you smash that thumbs up. It helps to grow my channel, helps to get this information out to as many people as possible, and I'm always extremely grateful for every single like that I get. Make sure that you're subscribed to this channel. Click this bright red subscribe box right here. Click this bell notification. That way you are notified immediately when I come out with new content. And don't forget to check out my #1 recommendation to make money online. I've left a link directly beneath this video that you can check out right here where it says my #1 recommendation to make money online, chadbennettlive.com. That's where I got started 5 months ago, and I have had phenomenal results. And then don't forget to share and comment, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.